Today we're looking at a fun day at the beach. A fun day at the beach. Have you ever wondered how to use digraphs in a simple story? Well, today we are going to do just that. We're going to use our digraphs, and well done for those who were looking at my digraphs lesson. We're going to put the digraphs that you've learnt in the past lesson into the story. The story is called A Fun Day at the Beach. Hello again, my name's Margaret and welcome to my channel. On a sunny day, Chip and Beth went to the beach. Chip had a shiny shell and Beth had a toy fish. So there was Chip, Beth, beach, Chip, shell shiny, Beth and fish. Those are the digraphs in that one. Look at that big ship, said Chip, pointing to the water. Beth smiled. It's so far away. Let's play near the water. So the as in look. Now I haven't done vowel digraphs. That is coming up. Sh for ship. Ch for chip. Oi as in pointing. Cheeky clown, Beth, I as in smiled, R for far, A as in away, A for play, ear for near, and those are the digraphs. So if you want to learn those vowel digraphs, stick around because we are going to look at those too. They walked to the edge of the sand, where the waves were soft and cool. Chip picked up a smooth, flat stone and skipped it across the water. "Watch this," he said. The stone made a big splash. Chip, oo and th or smooth, o as in stone, ch for watch, th for this, o as in stone, a for made, sh for splash. Beth laughed. Nice one. Now I'll draw shapes in the sand. She used a thin stick to draw a fish, a small shop and a big bathtub. I as in nice, ow as in now, or as in draw, sh, a as in shapes, th as in the, oo as in used, th for thin, or for draw, sh as in shop, th for bathtub. Chip joined in. He drew a ship and a tiny shell. Look at my shapes, he said. Digraphs, ch, oi, ew, sh, 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 a. Okay. Just then, a big wave came and washed their drawings away. Beth gasped, "Oh no, our shapes!" Chip grinned. That's okay. Let's just draw them again." Th for then, A as in wave, A as in came, sh for washed, th for there, or for drawings, A for away, th Beth, sh and A for shapes, ch for chip, th for that's, A for okay, O for draw, th for them. They spent the whole afternoon drawing, splashing and chasing the waves. O for whole, and oo for afternoon, O for drawing, sh for splashing, ch and A for ing, th for the and A for waves. At the end of the day, Beth said, "This beach is the best. I can't wait to come back." Chip nodded. "Me too. Next time I'll find the biggest shell." So there's your A for day, th for Beth, th for this, ch is beach, ch for chip, and sh for shell. Comprehension questions. Number 1. What did Chip bring with him to the beach? What did Chip bring with him to the beach? Number 2. What did Beth use to draw shapes in the sand? What did Beth use to draw shapes in the sand? Number 3. What happened to the shapes they drew in the sand? What happened to the shapes they drew in the sand? Number 4. What shapes did Chip and Beth draw during their play? What shapes did Chip and Beth draw during their play? And the last one, number 5. What did Beth say about the beach at the end of the story? Now you may want to scroll back the video and read the story again, because we looked at the digraphs and things when I was reading the story to you. So maybe you want to have a look and see if you can read the story yourself. Let's look at the answers. The answers to number 1. Chip brought a shiny shell to the beach. Number 2. Beth used a stick to draw pictures in the sand. She used a stick. Number 3. A big wave washed their drawings away. Now if you put just one answer to these, they're fine, as long as you've used one of the words from my answers. Number 4. Beth drew a fish, a shop and a bathtub. Chip drew a shell and a ship. Number 5. At the end of the story, Beth said, "This beach is the best." I hope you enjoyed your day at the beach. Those children have. I hope you have too. Don't forget, if you have enjoyed this story and looking at your digraph sounds that you've already practiced, give it a like and subscribe, and I will hope to see you again for your vowel digraph lesson. Bye bye for now.